Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Notion app keeps logging me out automatically. Is the Notion logging you out repeatedly on your iPhone? Let's fix it fast. First, check your connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Next, clear cache or reinstall. Go ahead and open your settings and then go search for iPhone storage, scroll down, look for Notion, and then click on offload app. This will or reinstall cloud data stays safe. After that, enable keep me signed in. Once logging in, ensure remember me or stay signed in is toggled on. Privacy tip: only log in on trusted devices to avoid account lockouts. Quick fix: restart your phone or log in through Safari at Notion.so if the app keeps logging out. Contact Notion support for persistent issues. Subscribe for more Notion fixes in under a minute.